Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog about my trip to Oceancoralspring in Trelawny, Jamaica. I'll be covering the room tour, the grounds, the food, everything. So stay tuned.
Because why him a make-up noise in my vlog? It's my laugh for me. Privileged Junior Suite Room Tour.
So as you walk in the room, you have a closet with a steaming iron and also some shoe polish that they put in there. And you have an umbrella in case it's raining, some things to hang up your clothes with. Then you have a coffee station. Then we have the mini bar. Well, stack up. Yeah, watch Fireball and vodka. Yeah, apple juice. Yeah. So, yes, as you enter the room, the bar is fully stocked. It has everything you need, even some peanuts in there. I don't eat peanut, but for who eats peanuts? Yeah. It wasn't the cleanest, to be honest, as you can see. They put this like amenity kit in the room, and it had so much things in there. It had shaving cream, razor, um, cotton buds, cotton pad, everything. They even had a nail file in there. And then obviously you have your regular shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and soap. And this is the nice mirror that they have. What good as, yeah. And they give you a toothbrush. They give you a vanity kit. So yeah, and they'll replace that every morning when they come to clean your room or afternoon. You can order room service from the TV, which is new. Um, we didn't actually order it from the TV. We used the regular phone or the app. They have an app that you can use on your phone, and we usually use that to order room service. They give you a welcome wine. I don't know why they only gave us one glass, but yeah, and two little apple. Guys, this, just wait for it. Oh my god, look at the view. Look at the view. Look at the view. So beautiful. So on to the food. This was at the buffet, which is called Martha's Market, I believe. Yes, and they cook fresh pasta for you. You tell them what you want in the pasta, and they'll cook it up right in front of you. So that's what I was doing here. I would say the food at this hotel, despite this video, which doesn't really do it justice, was actually really good for an all-inclusive hotel. I don't think I've ever been to one, and I actually enjoyed their buffet food, but I can say I enjoyed the one here.
Look at this huge
They have
cake.
plenty of restaurants at this hotel. This one was Thali. It's the Indian one. It was so good, guys. And here we have the Privilege restaurant. We got some lunch here. They give you a full 3-course menu. These crab cakes were so good. And then we had shrimp tacos. So good. Yeah, and that was the jerk burger. And they sell coconut here, but I thought they were free, and they were actually, I think maybe $2 or something. I don't remember. But yes, and here we have Mike's Cafe.
Mike's
guys,
Cafe.
the cakes. Oh my god, the red velvet cake, guys. It was so good. Like, the things here are so good, and the staff are really nice and friendly. There are so many places to take nice Instagrammable pictures at this hotel.
Huge lazy river. Swim up bar in the lazy river. Property walkthrough. Thank you for watching.